Hi everyone, this is week 8 in second semester, and this is the second week in the weather unit. So hopefully you're cruising along there. This week we're going to look at fronts and air masses. So remember vocabulary, you need to have this document in your Google Drive, and you're going to put these words on that document, and you're going to put them in one of these 3 columns based on where you are at the beginning of the unit or the week, and then you need to put a definition with it. Also a reminder that when you attend meeting 2, you have to show me that. So you will be doing a screen share and showing that with me. So this week 3 individual assignments and the 1 group assignment. Let's look at those. You're going to start out, you're going to review the layers of the atmosphere. You guys learned these last fall when we looked at our place in space. You had to do a little bit with the layers of the atmosphere. So the first 2 pages should be review. Then we're going to talk about air masses and fronts, where those go within the Earth's atmosphere, and then you have some questions on those, short little quiz. And then we're going to talk about fronts, and then you have a concept map. And let me go to this concept map. So this document I've given you is a Google drawing. You can link to it. So just like the other things, you can copy it into your drive, and I want you to fill in these 4 blanks with these 4 words here. You need to figure out which one goes where. Now, if you're in the drawing, if you're using Google Drawing, you want to use the text box to put your words in the right circle, or you could print it out and then take a picture of it. But you can do it all in Google and do it all online. So that's that one. Now, when you get on down, the computer's being a little slow. Okay, when you get on down here, then you have a fronts quiz over these readings. And then the group assignment this week is sharing that data sheet. So this, because this is 1 week in, I would like to see somewhere, this is due on Thursday, March 12th, and you started, I would like to see somewhere between 3 and 5 days of data to start with here. And remember that only 1 person in your group has to turn this in each week. So you can have 1 person who that is their job every week to turn it in, or it can change every week. But make sure 1 person in your group shares the link to the document with me each week. If you have questions, let me know. Oh, this is kind of a 3/9 to 3/12. It's a little bit of a short week. 4 days, where if you notice, we start on Monday and you're going to end Thursday. The next one's a little longer, but this one, it fit nicely in those 4 days. So let me know if you have a question.